So one of the most anticipated devices of 2023 is the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Look, these devices is not the most feature-rich devices, right? Or even the most powerful devices. But you know what? What I like about these devices is the vision, the future. Well, you know what? I've been using the Pixel 8 Pro that you're looking at right now for about 3 days. And it was exactly what I was expecting in a refined device, right? So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready, and let's talk about the Pixel 8 Pro, baby. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So what you're looking at right now, this quality is the front-facing camera of the Pixel 8 Pro in 4K. Don't it look amazing? Does this look amazing? And I'm using external audio for this video right here. So you know what? Let's talk about the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro won't blow you away with benchmark tests. Like, you know, tech enthusiasts, they love benchmark tests. So they won't blow you away with, benchmark tests. The Pixel 8 Pro is a device that's refined from the Pixel 7 Pro, which I had some problems with. I wasn't happy of some of the issues that I had with the Pixel 7 Pro. Issues such as brightness level, overheating, inconsistent battery life. So these are some of the key things that I'm looking forward to when using the Pixel 8 Pro. But you know what? Let's talk about it. The Pixel 8 Pro has a peak brightness of 2400 nits, which is extraordinary. So yes, I can now see the device outside without screen dimming. Next, let's talk about overheating. As y'all guys know, it's been well documented that I've been talking about overheating issues on the Pixel, and it's been pretty bad. The only overheating issues that I've had with the Pixel 8 Pro was my initial setup. And yes, you will experience some overheating with playing games for a long period of time. But you know what? Every device gets warm playing games for a long period of time. So that's normal. Let's talk about battery life. Well, I've only been having a Pixel 8 Pro for about 3 days. So look, I got further testing to do with battery life, but the battery life been okay so far with me having this device. So look, it's gonna be long-term effects with this device. Well, let's talk about these cameras. This is one of the things that I see that has been definitely refined coming from the Pixel 7 Pro. So let me show you some footage, and I'm gonna put the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the mix. So let's have some fun. Check this out.
The Chosen.
So as you can see, these cameras are very good. Look, here compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the colors is nice and vivid. Now, Google is, at the halfway point when it comes down to professionals, right? It does have Pro mode for photos, but it's still lacking in the Pro features, Pro mode in videos. So again, work in progress. Google is halfway there when it comes down to Pro features in the camera app. Now, it's good to see that Google is now putting Pro mode in a videos app, but we still need Pro mode in the video. So hopefully, future updates will fix this, and I am so happy that Google is moving forward with Pro features in the camera app. But you know what? This footage looks so beautiful. All right, guys, so I'm out here at the park, and I want to showcase how great these cameras have been vastly improved overall. So what you're looking at right now is the Google Pixel 8 Pro in 4K 30 frames per second. And I'm out here at the park, and it's a lot of wind noise. Now, I am using the external audio, and the reason why is because I do have the device a little further distance from me. So the audio probably won't be that great coming from phone to where I'm at right now. But I want to showcase how good these cameras are, how vastly improved these cameras are. Now, I'm going to show you two scenes here. This is the regular camera app in 4K 30 frames per second. Now I'm going to switch to the blurriness, which they do have what's called cinematic mode on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So we can see a little difference in the background, which is going to be fantastic. But I do want to let y'all guys listen to the audio of the device itself, so you can get a gist on if you're going to be out here in the park filming with high wind, because it is high wind right now. This is how the audio is going to sound on the Pixel 8 Pro. So this is the audio of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's a fair distance away, so it's not going to capture really good sound at this distance. So I just want y'all guys to hear the audio from the Google Pixel 8 Pro audio. Let's go to the switch back to internal audio. All right, so here it is. This is going to be cinematic blur. And as you can see, the difference in the background is a whole lot blurred out. So this is a fantastic feature if you want to have some type of cinematic mode and kind of blur out the background a little more and stuff like that. So this is going to be the look. If you shoot like your YouTube videos or a whole lot of videos, to me, I'm trying to see that, you know, the Google Pixel kind of can be a YouTube device if you don't have professional cameras. And again, I'm using external audio, so this so you know. But this is cinematic mode. How does the quality of the background look? How do I look? Am I in the foreground and the background is blurred out? It looks pretty decent. I've been testing the Google Pixel 8 Pro for the last couple of days, and I've been overall impressed at the quality of the photos. Photos has been outstanding, but the videos has also been great. So that is a good thing. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm out here at all low light at the mall strip here. And I've been testing this device and doing a lot of low light. I put it against the Galaxy S23 Ultra to kind of see how good or how bad this device is as far as daytime and low light. But my thoughts so far with this device is a refinement over the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Fold gave me some issues with overheating and stuff like that. Well, I think the Pixel 8 Pro fixed some of those issues, especially when it comes down to the display brightness when you're outside in the elements. I think that fixed these issues. Some of the things that I really wanted the Google to do, and I think that the Pixel 8 Pro fixed a lot of these things. Now, listen, I've only been having this phone for a couple of days. So stay tuned for full coverage, but this is my initial thoughts with the Pixel 8 Pro. Look, the build quality is great, slippery. You definitely need a case for this device because it's very slippery. The display is very bright. I really do like that, especially for outdoor visibility. Man, it's so much I could talk about with this device. It's a refinement. It's very fast, it's smooth and fluid. As all Pixel devices, and it's not getting as hot. Listen, that was one of my Achilles heels with the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 6, you know, Pixel 5a and stuff like that. Was it definitely got hot. So look, I think the Pixel 8 Pro has done a complete refinement, and y'all guys been seeing in this video, I've been showing you guys a lot of coverage. Photos between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro. So let me show you some more. But my overall thoughts, I really like what Google is doing with the Pixel 8 Pro. So I've only been having the Pixel 8 Pro for a few days, and my initial thoughts is that yes, Google is stepping up their game, right? On refinement. That's what I was looking for. This device is no Galaxy S23 Ultra. We know this already. If you want features, S Pen, DeX, everything else in between, that's going to be the device for you. This is not a Galaxy S23 Ultra killer, right? This is a stock build of Android with AI features that take things to the next level. I really like the AI features like call screening and everything else in between with this device. It's been great so far. And you know what? It's just feel good and natural to use a device like this. And not only that, but the flat screen is really good. Now, you know what? No device is perfect. And the Pixel 8 Pro does have its share of issues, such as even though the build quality is very good on this device, but you definitely have to use a case because it's very slippery. And you know what? That's something that you probably have to put on anyway, right? A case. Overall, I've been liking the performance. I've been liking the AI features. I've been liking the cameras on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is going to be a long journey, a very long journey with the Pixel 8 Pro. So stay tuned. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 8 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.